Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. It's free and it'll help me out a lot, so hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to be making some baby blue Milky Way resin coasters, so let's jump in and get started. I went ahead and mixed up my resin off camera just to save time. Today I'm using the TotalBoat TableTop Epoxy, and we're going to be pouring these in 2 layers. This first layer is going to be this gorgeous fireworks glitter from Laura's Art Corner. I always start these out by doing a diagonal line of this glitter across the bottom of the mold. You could use any color glitter you want, and now we're going to go in with our pigments. This one here is Morning Glory from Laura's Art Corner. I'm just adding a nice dollop around or on each side of my glitter, and I'm also going to go in with some blue interference mica powder. I'm going to be adding that here next. Just going right over that Morning Glory pigment with my blue interference. I'm adding a good amount of this blue interference. It's a transparent pigment, so you can add as much as you want. It's not going to take over like the white will. You got to be careful with the white. It can take over if you're not careful, so I'm going to add a little bit of white next. And you can always add more white, but you can't take it away, so I like to add a little bit at first and then go in and add more if I need to. And then I'm going to go in with some clear and just pour that clear right on top of my pigments. This is just clear resin here. This is going to create a lot of depth and dimension in your coasters. I always like to reserve 1 or 2 ounces of clear when I'm doing coasters like this. And now I'm going to go in with a silicone paintbrush and just do some swirly designs, blending everything together. Just a few little swooshy swirls here. I'm going to do that in each of my coaster molds, and these coaster molds are from Let's Resin. I'll link them down below along with my coupon code. I'll link all the materials I'm using down below in the description box along with any coupon codes that I have. So if you guys want to get any of these products to try, you'll get a little bit of extra savings. I'm going to hit these with my heat gun on low just to pop bubbles, and that's it. I'm going to let them dry overnight. Here we are the next day, filling the molds up the rest of the way with clear resin. I was going to do a white backing layer on these, but I really liked how they were looking from the top side, which is the side you're seeing here. So I decided to just go in with clear because you never know what the bottom side's going to look like, and I was really liking the top side. So I decided to just do clear instead of a white backing layer on these. Just hitting that clear with my heat gun and then spreading it all around the mold, making sure everything has good coverage. And that's it. I covered them up, let them dry for 24 hours, and here we are ready to demold them. I actually like the bottom side of these coasters as well. I think both sides are really pretty, but if I had to pick a favorite, I would say that the top side, the more wispy looking side, is my favorite. But let me know which side of these coasters you guys prefer down in the comments, if you like the top side, the more wispy side, or the bottom side. And I did make a set of these previously on my channel. They're kind of like a light purple set, so if you haven't seen that video, definitely go check them out. They turned out really pretty as well. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, leave me a like, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and go check out a few of my other videos. It really helps out my channel a lot if you watch a few of my videos back to back. And as always, I'll link all the materials I used down below in the description box. I just love the fireworks glitter that I used on this set. It's one of my favorites from Laura's Art Corner. It's got a really gorgeous sparkle and lots of different colors. So this glitter would pair nicely with any color combination that you wanted to use. But I hope you guys give this technique a try. It's so easy to do, and they always turn out pretty in my opinion. I feel like you could do any color combination you want with this technique. I really wanted to do a teal set, but I don't have a lot of teal pigments. So if you guys have a favorite teal, let me know down in the comments. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate you guys so much. I hope you're all doing fantastic, and I will see you soon for another video. Bye guys.